Today we are doing skit. Skit name is The Clever Jackal. Characters my my character is Tiger. My character is Farmer. My character is Horse. My character is Jackal. Now let's do skit. Oh, Farmer, please open the door. No, I am sorry, I cannot touch a tiger. I am not ungrateful, I would not harm you. I will trust you. But I am hungry, so I will eat you. Oh no, you are ungrateful and cruel. Animals are not cruel, man is cruel. Look, a horse is coming, we will ask the horse. Alright. Oh, horse, please listen to me. This tiger was in a trap. I opened the door. Now he wants to eat me. Is he not cruel? No, man is cruel. I am old. I can serve my master. Me up, so I am here. Oh, Farmer, the horse also says man is cruel, so I will eat you. Wait a minute. Look, a jackal is coming. We will ask him to. Oh, Jackal, see this tiger. I saved him from the trap, but he wants to eat me. He is very cruel. How can I save the farmer? My dear tiger, can you explain everything to me again? Yes, I will. This is the trap. I was in it. No, it's not possible. You are so large and the trap is so small. That tiger. See, I will show you. The tiger enters the trap. Oh, I see now. It is clear. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Oh God, will you not open the door? No, we want goodbye. Yes, we will not open the door. Oh, farmer, go home now. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.